This is a World Fitness Trial in Roath, Cardiff.
Health warning. If you have any health conditions that may possibly affect you during this, please consult a doctor beforehand. Also, if asthma is present, do not forget your asthma pump.
Now we can get ready with our routine.
This is a push-up station. All you need to do is put your hands on the bars and do a normal push-up. You can do this for 5 reps, or if you're confident, 10 or more if you want. This is the sit-up bench station. On the sit-up bench, you put your feet behind the green bar, lay down and try to sit back up without the help of your hands. You can do this for 5 reps, or if you feel confident, you can do 10 reps. If you're really confident, you can do as many more as you want. This is a monkey bar station. All you need to do is grab onto the bars and then alternate hands to grab onto each of the bars in front of you. You can go across twice, or if you're confident, more. This is the balancing beam station. On the balance beam, you can simply walk across whilst maintaining your balance, or you can run across, but you will have to have a very good skill in balancing. Another thing that you can do is dip your leg as you walk to each side and jumping from side to side over the bar. You can do this for 5 times, walking across and back, or you can just do, of course, as many as you want, however confident you are. This is a stretching pole station. On the stretching pole, you can do a range of different things and stretches. You can hold your leg up against the pole for 10 seconds to stretch, and you can pike against it, or you can squat for 5 to 10 or more reps. These are the even bars. On this station, you put one hand on each bar and lift your feet off and swing there for 10 seconds or as long as you can. Another thing that you can do is you can put both hands on and then just try to walk across the bars with only your hands, with your feet off the floor. You can do that 5 times back and forth. This is the chin-up station. Here it's basically pretty simple. All you have to do is reach your arms up and try to bend your arms so that your chin goes over the bar on either one of the heights. This is the leg raise station. All you have to do is once again grab onto whichever height of bar that you can reach and then try to lift your legs up to a 90 degrees angle. In this station, you have to hold on to the lower end of the bars and then you can walk up with your hands to the top, or you can do it vice versa. You can do 5 reps depending on how easy you find it or how hard you find it. Now it's time to warm down. For the warm downs, we will be stretching our arms by rolling them backwards for 5 reps, and now we're doing it forwards for 5 reps again. And now to stretch our backs, we will be and our legs, we will be stretching down to reach our toes 5 times.